Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I am taking you up north to our cabin up in the White Mountains and just going to kind of show you how I decorated up there, how the feel of the cabin is during the holiday season, and just kind of take it a relaxing day with some scenery and the beautiful Christmas decorations. I hope you enjoy.
Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy. I've been waiting by the phone, and the song will meet you at the door. This Christmas will be something unreal. Baby, I'm falling under your charm. All I ever wanted, got you wrapped up in my arms, and we'll stay up all night, and the fireside is blazing bright. This Christmas will be something unreal. Darling, you saved my heart, just as I thought I was falling apart. I'll be on your side forevermore. Under the mistletoe, I'll be just fine when you knock on my door. Kiss me, darling, don't be shy. It's you that I adore. I will try hard just to keep you, so keep on smiling. That is what I'll do. When Hollywood is firing, we've conquered problems of our fears. This Christmas will be something unreal. Darling, you saved my heart, just as I thought I was falling apart. I'll be on your side forevermore. Under the mistletoe, I'll be just fine when you knock on my door. Kiss me, darling, don't be shy. It's you that I adore. Sleigh bells are ringing, I've heard them before, sending a message that Christmas is at the door. I've been waiting by the phone, and there is nothing we can't do. This Christmas will be something unreal.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high, while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelights would glow, where we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. It was on a cold Christmas Eve you came into this world. We were all alone, holding our breaths till the word came of a baby girl. Then Grandma and Grandpa got smoke in their eyes from nothing but joy and delight, eager to meet this newborn prize, and it was on a Christmas night. You look just like your sweet mother dear, 28 years ago. We weren't prepared. Can anyone be for the greatest emotional overflow?
hope that you guys enjoyed this. I love just the traditional look up there, just cozy and, has some nature. It has memories of a home we had in Colorado as a family. A lot of the decorations at the cabin there are from Colorado, and it just has a very cozy and warm feeling. And I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope, if anything, you just had a cup of coffee or tea and just enjoyed, looking at the decorations. Thank you again. Thank you for your time and your support. It is greatly, greatly appreciated. I hope that if you enjoyed this video, you will consider subscribing if you have not already, and and I would love to hear what was your favorite part. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I will be back as soon as Christmas is over, and we're just going to get into the new year with some organizing and decluttering and all the fun stuff. Happy, happy New Year and Merry, Merry Christmas.